Bonjour, je m'appelle Lakshmi. Welcome back to my channel Learn French with Lakshmi. Our today's topic is demonstrative adjectives. First, let's see what are demonstrative adjectives in English. Demonstrative adjectives are special kind of adjective that are used to express the relative position of a noun in space or time. Relative position. Adjectives are words which used to describe nouns. But these demonstrative adjectives are special kind of adjectives which are used to express the relative position of a noun according to its time and space. For example, the most commonly used demonstrative adjectives in English are this or that, these or those. These are the most commonly used demonstrative adjectives in English. These are used to express the relative position of a noun according to its space or time. This or that is for singular and these or those for plural. So same as the case of French also. Let's see which are the demonstrative adjectives in French. I have already told you that so many times I have told you that all the nouns in French are either masculine or feminine. So here in demonstrative adjective also we have to choose the adjective according to the gender and number which it follows. So demonstrative adjectives also agree with the number and gender with the noun it follows. So first of all, the masculine first demonstrative adjectives is C. C-E. It is pronounced as say. Say. That means this or that. The first demonstrative adjective in French is C-E. That means this or that. And it is used in front of a masculine singular noun. Masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant. CE is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant. For example, say garçon. Garçon. Garçon means boy. Say garçon. That means this boy or that boy. Say stylo. Say stylo. This pen or that pen. So this say is the first demonstrative adjective in French that is used before a masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. And if the masculine singular noun begins with a vowel or silent H, we will use C-E-T. Set. So this is the second demonstrative adjective. This is also used in front of a masculine singular noun, but the masculine singular noun should begin with a vowel or silent H. For example, set home. I have told you that silent H is considered as a vowel in French. So set home, that means this man. Set horloge. Horloge means wall clock in French. Set horloge. Here is also H is silent. So that wall clock. So these are the two demonstrative adjectives which is used in front of a masculine singular noun. CE is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant sound, and set is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a vowel or silent H. CE and set. Now let's see which is the demonstrative adjective used in front of a feminine noun. C-E-T-T-E, pronounced as set. Set is used in front of a singular feminine noun. Set. Feel. That means this girl or that girl. Set. Robe. That means this dress or that dress. So number 1 is CE and number 2 is again used in front of a masculine singular noun but beginning with a vowel, and here set is used in front of a feminine singular noun. And next, last one is plural, CES. That means it is used in front of a plural noun irrespective of the gender. That means say livre, L-I-V-R-E-S. Livre means these books. These books. Say pomme. That means these apples. Say fille. That means these girls. So these are the demonstrative adjectives in front. First one, CE, that is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. CET is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a vowel or silent H. And CETT, set. Set is used in front of a feminine singular noun. And CES, say. It is also pronounced as say. Say is used in front of a plural nouns irrespective of the gender. So let's see some more examples. This boy is kind. How will you write it in French? This boy is kind. First, we use say. And for boy, the word is garçon. G-A-R-C-O-N. This garçon is the conjugated form of the verb être. Say garçon est gentil. G-E-N-T-I-L. Gentil. It is pronounced as gentil. Gentil means kind. Say garçon est gentil. That means this boy is kind. Number 2, this man is handsome. This man is handsome. Here, man, for man, the French word is H-O-M-M-E. That means silent H. So, we will add here C-E-T. I have told you C-E-T, set, is used in front of a masculine noun beginning with a vowel or silent H. So, c'est un A. For handsome, it is B-E-A-U, beau. C'est un a beau. That means this man is handsome. C'est un a beau. This man is handsome or that man is handsome. Number 3, that house is beautiful. B-E-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. That house is beautiful. House, the word, first of all you write the noun and then you will get to know if it is, whether it is feminine or masculine. For house it is maison. M-A-I-S-O-N. Maison. Maison means house and it is a feminine noun. So this maison or that maison, that means set. C-E-T-T-E. C-E-T-T-E used in front of a feminine noun. Set maison a belle. Beautiful. For beautiful, the feminine word is belle. For masculine, it is beau, handsome. Set maison a belle. Set maison a belle. That house is beautiful. And last one, these books are new. These books, CES. Plural for demonstrative adjective, CES. Books, livre, L-I-V-R-E-S. Say livre, R. For R, we use sont. Sont. This is the conjugated form of the verb être. Sont. Say Say leaves on neuf. N-E-U-F-S. That means these books are new. Say leaves on neuf. Here also we will put S, but we won't pronounce it. Say leaves on neuf. So these are the demonstrative adjective in French. Let's revise. First one, say, C-E. C-E is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Number 2, set. Set is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a vowel. Then third is set. Set means C-E-T-T-E. It is used in front of a feminine singular noun. And C-E-S is used in front of plural nouns irrespective of the gender. Clear? So this boy is kind. How will you say? Ce garçon est gentil. Ce garçon est gentil. This man is handsome. Cet homme. H is considered as a vowel in French. So it is a masculine noun also. So you will add C-E-T as the demonstrative adjective here. Cet homme est beau. That house is beautiful. House is feminine noun. So we will add cette maison est belle. Cette maison est belle. And for plural you will add C-E-S. These books are new. Say leaves on neuf. So these are the demonstrative adjectives in French. Demonstrative adjectives are special kind of adjectives which is used to express the relative position of a noun with respect to its time and space. In English, the demonstrative adjective are this or that, that's singular, this or those. And in French, it is say, set, C-E-T-T-E and say. How will you pronounce? Say, set, say. Say is used in front of a masculine singular noun. Set is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a vowel or silent H, and set is used in front of a feminine singular noun, and CES is used in front of plural nouns irrespective of the gender. Hope you understood? Clear? That's for today. Thank you.